welcome back to my channel. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Labas kami ngayon ni boyfriend. Wala kasing ginagawa sa bahay. Medyo boring. Papunta kami guys ng city. Oslo Centrum. Mamamasyal. Road trip lang ba? Halos lahat naman doon ay mga sararado. Lalo na ngayon, linggo. Sa kakaramihan na establishment, sarado gawa ng COVID-19. Marami ang nagtatanong sa akin kung dito na ba ako titira sa Norway. Hindi po ako dito titira. Bakasyon lang po talaga ako dito. 90 days granted. Pero ang talagang plano namin ni boyfriend ay 1 month lang na bakasyon. Yun nga lang, gawa ng COVID-19, apektado yung flight namin. May flight kami today, pabalik ng Pilipinas. Na-cancel.
Somebody told her you cannot use it. It's also someone advises her to be careful. They are correct. Have yesterday. We didn't do it. That's what happened. The candidate no need to show the sofa. Fix it. When you sit in the car, no, they already have one in the car. Didn't need one, but too stupid.
Pass before na.
Typical living area in Oslo.
This one?
Yeah, this is typical for Oslo.
What is that building? Apartment?
Yeah, all of this is apartments. Turn left.
Ayan guys, andito sa city malapit sa Centrum. Maraming apartment. Ayan, tram daw ang tawag niyan. Hindi train, sabi ni boyfriend.
Then you're in the correct street. Agatagrandog, number 7 there. Most of this apartment is not tenants, they are owners. Yeah, that's
Dito guys sa lugar na to, karamihan makita mo naglalakad, nagbabike. Bibihira ang nakasasakyan kasi ang hirap maghanap ng parking. Yung mga sasakyan naman nakahilera,